Nature helps us to find peace and growth, restore ecosystems, save our lovely planet. Hey there. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kaina Bhatt. I'm from class 8 and I'm from the school NRPS, that's New Revolutionary Public School, Nadihal Bandipora. I'm not going to take you a lot of time. I just want to tell you one thing, that ask yourself, are you like restoring ecosystem in reality? Are you doing that? The answer may be no, because there are some of the people who are doing it, who are just restoring ecosystem in reality. If you're watching anybody else around you like cutting a lot of trees, doing deforestation, if you are just neglecting that, then you are wrong, because that's my first point and that's your first action. What is that? That's afforestation. Say no to deforestation and say yes to afforestation. Second point I just want to tell you is reuse and recycle. If anybody over there is like your sibling or anybody is like reusing or recycling paper or any other thing, and you are saying, rubbish, what are you doing with that waste? What are you making with that? Then you are rubbish, sorry to say, because you are not understanding, because that's my second point and that's your second action. Third one I just want to tell you is, if anybody over there is making pollution and you are saying, what can I do? Then you are wrong, because that's my third point and that's your third action. Say no to pollution, plant more trees, because they are never gonna harm you at all. Fourth one, that is personally my very favorite, that is inspire others. Like if you are inspiring others, that's a good motto you are taking and good action. And at last I just want to tell you, it's really last, okay? So don't only just hear it, just do it, make it possible, and you can do it. Believe in yourself. All the best. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Rabia Malik, student of New Revolutionary Public School, Nadihal Bandipora. There are several ways that you can help protect this planet we call Earth. First one is use reusable bags. Plastic grocery type bags that get thrown out end up in landfills. Whether you are shopping for foods, clothes, or bags, use reusable bags. Recycle. Second one is recycle. Many garbage disposal companies offer recycling services. Third one is use reusable beverage containers instead of buying individually packaged drinks. Consider buying a bulk containers of the beverage you want and buying a reusable water bottle. Fourth one is save electricity. Use energy efficient light bulbs instead of regular bulbs. They last longer, which will see you a bit of money. Fifth one is save water. Water is wasted more frequently than we can see. Do not turn your shower on until you are ready to get in and wash your hair. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Hani of class 7th from NRPS school Nadihal Bandipora. I am here today to tell about the restoration of the ecosystem. So first of all, I would like to thank Almighty Allah that we are yet alive in this ecosystem which we destroyed by our own hands. So an ecosystem is the geographic area where animals, plants and other organisms as well as weather and landscapes works together to form a bubble of life. Ecosystem restoration means assisting in the recovery of the ecosystem which have been destroyed, as well as conserving the ecosystem that are still intact. Restoration can happen in many ways, example by planting or by removing the pressure, so the nature can restore on its own. And it's not always possible to restore the ecosystem to its own state. All kinds of the ecosystem can be restored, including forests, wetlands and oceans. The restoration initiatives can be launched by anyone from government and development agencies to community and individuals. The restoration the restoration, large and small, can protect and improve the livelihoods of the people who depends on them. The restoration can help us to regulate the risk of the natural disasters. In fact, the restoration can help us to achieve all of the sustainable developments. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.